Hello everyone, welcome to Exam4 New English Medium channel. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session, guys, which we have planned for you based on percentage part 3. As we have already done 2 percentages session, this is the third percentage session in the succession, and we are going to do the important problems over that. Whatever we have read till now, we are going to practice over them. So do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments. And the next thing you should be doing after joining is sharing the session as well. You can share the session, guys, across your friends, colleagues by the help of Telegram and WhatsApp study groups. Hello Pragati, Sri Lakshmi, a very good morning to all. A very good morning to all, guys. Those who have joined us, kindly do the sharing part as well. Kindly do the sharing part as well, guys. Then we are going to start this part 3 of the portion. Okay. So, hello Bhargavi, hello Polyparthi, Shrivani and Pragati, Sri Lakshmi. Very good morning to all. Very good morning to all. I hope both of you are absolutely great and doing some good in terms of studies. Okay. So, we are going to begin with the questions directly. Okay. So, let me show you the first question of the day. It's like this. Yeah. So whatever we have read till now, the questions are majorly inside it. Whatever we have read it till now, all the questions are from there only. Okay. This is the first question of the day. You have to make it. Numerator of a fraction is increased by 300%. And denominator of the fraction is increased by 200%. The resultant fraction is 4 by 15. What was the original fraction? Some concepts formation we are also going to do. Like 100% increment is basically 2 times. Whenever you are increasing something by 100%, you are making double of it. Like, let's suppose you are originally 100 and you have taken a 100% hike in your salary. So your salary increased by 100. So the new salary is 200. So can I say 100% hike is basically becoming double? Can you understand this? That 100% hike is nothing but like doubling of something, Similarly, 200% hike would be, 200% increment would be tripling, 300% hike would be 4 times. Can you observe this pattern now? Okay. I hope so. Absolutely. So, when the fraction was increasing by 300%, when the numerator was increasing by 300%, so it was becoming 4 times of itself. And when the denominator is increasing by 200%, it was becoming 3 times of itself. Okay. Now that is given as 4 by 15. So x over y is 1 by 5. X over y is 1 by 5. Clear? No option is matching. D. D. E. E. Okay, so x over y is 1 by 5. Perfect. Let's move on. Let's move on. You can keep E as well. However, we will try to get the answer within the A or B. Read it very carefully. Read it very carefully. Questions are very, very important. Questions are very, very important. "55% of a number and 40% of a same number is 180.5. What is 80% of that number?" Important. Important. Yeah. Sum of 55% of a number and 40% of the same number. So 55% of a number plus 40% of the same number is equal to 180.5. Can I say 95% of the number is 180.5? Can I say like this or not? Can I say like this or not? That 95% of the number is 180.5. 95% of the number is 180.5. Okay. Simplify by 5. 19% of the number is 15, 30, 36.1. For your kind information, guys, 19 9 ja 361. So 1% of the number is 19 by 10. So 1% of the number is 19 by 10. So 1% is 1 upon 100. Yeah. So 1%. Now you have to find the 80% of this number. Now you have to find the 80% of this number. So what is 80% of this number? If 1% is 19 by 10, then 80% is 19 by 10 into 80. Please do watch out and do let me know. Please do watch out and do let me know. Clear to all? Very important question. Very, very important question. Is it clear to all? Yeah. Great. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Okay. Great. Looking easy? Out of 950 employees, if 28% get promotion, then how many get promotion? Out of 950, if 28% get promotion, then how many get promotion? Out of 950 employees, if 28% get promotion, how many of them get promotion? Very easy, yaar. 28% of them get promotion. 28% of 950 get promotion. 14 into 19. 19 can be written as 20 minus 1. 280 minus 14. 266. Easy? Yeah, exactly. Next. What is the value of 3/4 of 60% of 480? What is the value of 3/4 of 60% of 180? Doable? Very easily doable. What is the value of 3/4 of? Guys, what I can write 60%. 60% in the fraction can be written as 60 by 100, that is 3 by 5. 60% can be written as 3 by 5. 60% can be written as 3 by 5 of 480. 480. Got 120 times. Got 24 times. 9 into 24. Again, how would we multiply? 10 minus 1 into 24. 240 minus 24. 216. Is it clear? Is it clear? %60% can be written as 3 by 5. 60% can be written as 3 by 5. Next. Come on, do it. It is required to get 40% to pass an examination. A candidate scored 200 marks and failed by 8 marks. What was the maximum marks of the exam? What was the maximum marks of the exam? It is required to get 40% to pass the examination. When he is scoring 200 marks, he is still getting failed by 8 marks. So can I say the passing marks are? The passing marks are, if you obtain 200 as well, then you require 8 more. So passing marks are 208. So passing marks are 208. No, can be determined, yeah. So yeah, none of these can be the answer, but D cannot. It can be determined very easily. So passing marks are 208. Now, passing marks in the form of percentage is 40%. Passing marks in the form of percentage is 40%. So basically 40% is equal to 208 passing marks. And what is total marks, bacha? Total marks is 100%. 100%. Simplify by 4. 4 5 ja 20, 4 2 ja 8. So 10% marks is 52. 10% marks is 52. So 100% 520. Putting one more zero. Putting one more zero. If you simplify by 4, 10% is equal to 52. If you simplify, 10% is equal to 52. So 100% is one more zero after that. That is 520. Is it clear to all? Okay. Great. Great. Important questions, guys, what we are doing as of now. Important questions, what we are doing as of now. Very important questions, believe me. Well done, Shrivani, Pragati, and others. From tomorrow onwards, we will start the types, yeah, like voting type, conservation type, then successive percentage change type. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start with the types. So be ready for it. If you want to study something from your own, you can. B has 50% more money than C. A, B, C. Start from the behind. Always start from the behind. Always start from the behind. We have done a category of question like this in the previous session as well. Let's suppose C has 100. B has 50% more. 50% more means 150. And A has double of B. A has double of me, 300. A has double of B, 300. Simplify by 50. 6, 3, 2. So A, B, C have the money in the ratio 6, 3, 2. What is their average according to the ratio? Their average according to the ratio is 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. 11 by 3. Which is given as 12,000. Which is given as 12,000. So 11 by 3 is given as 12,000. So can I say 11 is equal to 36,000? 11 is equal to 36,000. How much money does A have? A have 6. According to ratio, A have 6. So value of 11 is known, value of 6 is being asked. So value of 6 is going to be 6 by 11 of. You are understanding now? Value of 11 is known, value of 6 is being asked. So value of 6 is going to be 6 by 11 of 36,000. Which is 216,000 by 11. Just do watch out once more. And if there are any kind of doubts whatsoever, you're free to ask me. Let me give you the very basic of it. Like when 11 is equal to 36,000. Yeah, then 1 is equal to 36,000 divided by 11. Then 6 is equal to 6 into 36,000 divided by 11. Absolutely. Childhood memories. Childhood memories. 11 is equal to 36,000. So 1 is equal to 36,000 divided by 11. So 6 is equal to 6 into 36,000 divided by 11. However, nowadays we do it directly. Nowadays we do it directly that if 11 is 36,000, then 6 is 6 by 11 of 36,000. Important. Important. Believe me. Exactly the question what we have taken already. So you have to do it this as well very quickly. Numerator increased by 600%. 600% means comment me in the answers. 600% means 600% means becoming 7 times. Increment of 600% means becoming 7 times. I just told you. And denominator increases by 200%. 200% increment means becoming 3 times. 5 2 is 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. The original fraction is 2 by 5. Is it not in the options, bacha? Is it not in the options? Numerator increased by 600%. Yeah, becoming 7 times. Denominator increased by 200%, becoming 3 times. So 7x by 3 by 7x by 3 by is given as 5 2 is 10 plus 14 by 5. Oh, yeah, it was 5. Seven two ja. So x over y is take this 3 in the numerator, 6 by 5. X over y is 6 by 5. Yeah, that simplification was not there. So x over y is 6 by 5. Great. Few more. Now I'm asking you where you have to increase it not by 100, 200, 300, but by 20%, 25%, 33%, 25%, such kind of problems, and you should be able to answer them as well. And you should be able to answer them as well. Come on. Now your numerator is increasing by 20% and denominator is increasing by 25%. The fraction obtained is 3 by 5. What was the original fraction? We are reading it from the very basic, guys. As you can see, we have done 3 sessions and we are tackling with the very basics, doing some quality questions. So you can do your complete preparation starting with us. You can do your complete preparation starting with us. Okay. Hello, Venkat. Numerator increasing by 20%. Guys, if it is increasing by 20%, can I say it has become 120% of itself now? Can I say it has now become 120% of itself? So 120% of X. And denominator is increasing by 25%. Can I say it has now become 125% of itself? Yeah. If numerator increased by 20%, I can say it has become 120% of itself. If denominator is increased by 20%, I can say it has become like 125% of itself, is equal to 3 by 5. Cancel out percentage. You can simplify them as well. If you do not want to simplify, then we can simplify it as well. It is becoming 40 and this is becoming 25. So 40x is equal to 25y. Simplify 5, 8. So x over y is 5 by 8. None of these. None of these. So this approach, guys, this approach is clear? How was the approach, guys? Have you also taken this approach? Have you also taken this approach? If you have not taken till now, you have to take this approach from today onwards. From today onwards, you have to take up this approach. Yeah. That if it is increased by 20%, it has become 120% of itself. And if it has become increased by 25%, it has become 125% of itself. Yeah. Next. Satish saves 9% of his 10% of his monthly salary. Remaining salary 1 by third portion and 1 by second portion he gives to his mother and sister respectively, and the remaining salary he submits as his EMI for the payment of his car. If the annual EMI is 50,000, what is his monthly salary? Wow. Well done, Venkat. Thank you very much. Please do read it very carefully. Please do read it very carefully, okay? One by 3 and 1 by 2. From 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Can I assume the total salary as 3, 2, LCM 6? Bolo. 6 or 60, whatever. You can assume total salary as 60. You can assume total salary as 60. That is the way of assuming the salary. Okay, that is the way of assuming the salary. He saved 10% of it. So 10% of it is 6. How much is remaining? 54 is remaining. How much is remaining? 54 is remaining. 1 by 3 to mother. So 1 by 3 is 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 18 to mother. 1 by 2, that is 27 to sister. 45, I think only 9 is remaining. 9 for EMI. 9 for EMI. Now his annual EMI is 50,000. This is his annual EMI, not monthly EMI. So we have to find out his monthly EMI. So monthly EMI is going to be 50,000 divided by 12. 50,000 divided by 12. Okay. Come on, tell me, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Is this logic is clear? So 9 is given as 50,000 divided by 12. 9 is given as 50,000 divided by 12. Monthly salary is 60. What is the value of 60? So value of 60 is going to be 60 over 9 into 50,000 divided by 12. Nitish, life moves on. Yeah. Life moves on. Yeah. New projects, new assignments, and so 12 5 just 60. 12 5 just 60. 250,000 divided by 9. Please do simplify. Please do simplify. 9 2 ja 18. After 18, guys, 70. 9 7 just 63. Answer. Have anyone given it correctly? Have anyone given it correctly? Bataiye. It was a great question. It was a great question. This point was also very interesting. Yeah, Nitish, yeah. You can start joining the classes over here. I've started from the very basic. Each and every topic, guys, I'm going to take it. Yeah. So you can be connected with me. You can be connected with me over here as well. Okay. Very important. Any confusion in any of the step, you can ask me. Any confusion in any of the step, guys, you can ask me. यार नीतीश बोला ना भाई कि कुछ चीजें होती रहती हैं गाइस, लाइक किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ रहना, फिर पार्ट अवे होना, फिर तो ये सब चलता रहता है ना। Is it audible? ओके, अभी आवाज आ रहा है? इज इट ऑडिबल नाउ? इज इट ऑडिबल नाउ? इज इट ऑडिबल नाउ? इज इट स्टिल नॉट ऑडिबल? अभी भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है? आई थिंक आ रहा होगा, बिकॉज यहां पर सिग्नल आ रहा है आवाज का. हम्म. नहीं आ रहा है. Domino's presents the 4G speed. Okay, now audible. अच्छा, एक्सप्लेनेशन दोबारा करना पड़ेगा और इट इज क्लियर? एक्सप्लेनेशन दोबारा करना पड़ेगा या फिर क्लियर है? एक्सप्लेनेशन तक आवाज था. पहला नंबर अगर 20% से इंक्रीज होता है, पहला परसेंट अगर 20% से इंक्रीज होता है तो 120% बन जाएगा. दूसरा नंबर अगर 25% से कम होता है तो सिर्फ 75% रह जाएगा. मोहम्मद साकिब, ओके. अगर पहला नंबर 20% से इंक्रीज होता है तो अपने आप का 120% बन जाएगा. दूसरा नंबर अगर 25% से कम होता है तो खुद का 75% रह जाएगा. परसेंटेज से परसेंटेज काट दो, ऑफ से ऑफ काट दो. परसेंटेज से परसेंटेज, प्लीज एलिमिनेट परसेंटेज फ्रॉम परसेंटेज एंड ऑफ फ्रॉम ऑफ. And on multiplication, it will become 360. It will become 75 into 5. On simplification, it will become 72 by 75, which is 24 by 25. क्लियर? ठीक है, तो सेशन को फिर यहीं तक रखते हैं आज. लेट्स कीप इट टिल ओवर हेयर ओनली. कीप इट टिल ओवर हेयर ओनली. कुछ होमवर्क ले लीजिए आप, या फिर इस क्वेश्चन को और बना ले. लेट्स ट्राई टू मेक दिस एज वेल. इस क्वेश्चन को और बना लेते हैं. आखिरी क्वेश्चन है आप सभी के साथ. प्लीज डू मेक इट, प्लीज डू मेक इट. इट्स द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. प्लीज डू मेक इट. ओके, oh, too much salary to the wife, yeah? He's a nice husband, yeah? He's give too much of his salary to his wife. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Thank you very much. 80% is a big number. 80% is a big number which he's giving to his wife. So, out of 180, she's giving to his wife. He is giving to his wife. Remaining, he invested in the mutual fund. 20 mutual fund. Now, wife will take care of all the expenses. Now, wife will take care of all the expenses. Wife will spend 30% of it on the groceries. We will not find out the value as of now. 20% on the rent. And remaining on buying gold. Oh. And remaining on buying gold. Every month she buys gold. Wow. So his salary must be huge. Yeah. Its salary must be huge. That is why she is buying gold every month. Guys, 30% is spent on groceries, 20% is spent on rent. So can I say 50% of 80 is spent on gold? Now, what is the step I have taken? The step I have taken is I have not calculated these values. I have directly written this as 50% of 80. This is the time saving what we have done. This is the time saving what we have done. So what is 50% of 80? Half 40. So we directly come out to these value. Neither we find out this nor we find out this. Neither we find out the value on grocery, neither we found out the value on rent. We directly come out to 50% of 80, that is 40. Question is gone. What? Nothing to compare. Nothing to compare. Guys, everything is in percentages only, cannot be determined. Everything is in percentage only, cannot be determined. Everything is in percentage only, so you will say cannot be determined. What you will say? Cannot be determined. Because to find out the exact value, there should be at least one comparison, one exact value. But here everything is in the percentage. If everything is in the percentage, from where we will compare this 40? To whom we will compare this 40? Everything is in percentage, guys. If this 40 will become like gold is 40,000. If this 40 value will be given as 40,000, then 100 value would be 1 lakh. If this is given 4 lakh, it would become 10 lakh. If this is given 4,000, it will become like 10,000. So it's a subjective matter. It's a subjective matter. Yeah. So exact amount on gold is not known. If it would be 40,000, it would be 1 lakh. If it would be like 4 lakh, then it would be like 10 lakh. If it is 4,000, then it is 10,000. Yeah. Got this point or not? Got this point or not? If yes, then please do let me know by the help of comments. So we are ending up the session now. We are ending up the session now, guys. Please do let me know by the help of comments. Muhammad, this is equally good, Muhammad. This is equally good. Yeah, this is equally good. This is equally good, Muhammad. Oh, so do not worry about it. However, it is also coming. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Do take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you in the next session, which is going to happen very soon. Tomorrow onwards, where I will discuss the problems on the voting, which comes inside the percentage only. All the problems regarding the voting, how to do the voting type, and what is the basic concept of the voting. Everything is going to be discussed by me in very detail. Do not forget to join me in the next session. And today, guys, you are in small numbers. Tomorrow, I'm expecting to be in a good numbers, because tomorrow the session is on voting. Yeah, and voting is an important topic, and we will do all the important questions, all the quality questions of voting, from the very basic to the very advanced level in the next session. All questions of voting is going to be catered tomorrow only. All questions of voting is going to be catered tomorrow only, from the very basic, from the funda to the high level. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you.